So once you open up Canva, we are going to create a video template. So I'm going to go to the search bar here at the top, then type in video. And I'm going to use this video as an example. Click on it and then go to customize this template. Afterwards, you're simply going to go to the left side of the screen and then select uploads. Then here you're going to see a purple button which says upload files. So you're going to click on it. After finding your song, you're simply going to select open. So once your song is done uploading, you're simply going to drag it into the timeline where the video is. So in the section where it says drop music, you're going to drop it there. And as you can see here, the audio has been added underneath the video. So you can trim the audio to your liking just by putting the line somewhere in the middle. Then right-clicking on that audio, then selecting adjust. Then right-clicking, then selecting split audio. Then you can delete the other piece that you don't want. Then here you can also mute the song. Then go to volume, and then you can just reduce it to 0. And that's it. That's how you add your audio to a video.